Icera riu ria mithenya itatu rirari ria mbere ria mutongoria wa Israel guku bururi-ini thutha wa kahinda ka miaka 40. Akenya matimenyerete ugitiri uria maronirio kiheo prime minister ucio uria uracungiriria muhatikano munene wa ngari thutha wa barabara gakundi guku Nairobi kuhingwo.
Kazi yangu ya leo naona imeharibika sababu nitakuta time yangu imeisha. Jumi uingia saa 12 asubuhi, saa hii ni saa 4 na sitakuta kazi yote.
No, we were not given any prior information whatsoever. All I know was last night there was a lot of noise of helicopters.
Today I was planning to go to school. I have a class. I was supposed to be there by 8 definitely. And here I am. It's past 10.
Andu aige aria marokaga Nairobi o muthenya kuruta biacara kana guthie mawira-ini ira marathiaga maguru na angi marakwama muhatikano-ini ucio wa ngari uria urakwamire no raikara mathaa maingi. Umuthi abunge ni matwarire uhoro ucio bunge-ini, amwe makimenereria mihingica iyo ya ugendi, no aria angi makauga ati no thogora munini wa kunyita ugeni mutongoria wa umwe wa mabururi maria matongu muno thiini wa thi.
Yesterday I left my home at 5:30 trying to get to town by 6. I ended up getting to Parliament at 10:30. You cannot put road blocks without them being gazetted. At the very least, why haven't they gazetted to us, even in the ordinary newspapers, which roads are closed?
Mubunge wa Kureso ya Rugongo Moses Cheboi na murunawe Moses Chepkonga ni manyitire baru mawoni ma munini wa Speaker Joyce Laboso.
First, I think as a parliament, we must always learn to respect our visitors.
So as much as it may have been inconvenient, I was also too inconvenienced yesterday. But that comes with the price of having a good friend.
Akiumagara thutha wa icera riake gukinya muthia, Prime Minister Netanyahu niahoete Akenya muhera ni undu wa muhatikano uria urarehirwo ni icera riake. Netanyahu riu ari ikinya-ini ria gatatu icera-ini riake Afrika kuria erekeire bururi-ini wa Rwanda na thutha ucio atirihe icera riake bururi-ini wa Ethiopia. Girifotira Inooro TV, ritwa riakwa ni Winrose Wangui.
Demarcated by Hashem to the